Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and classy because it contains a very beautiful and stylish design ideas of handmade, hand-knitted crochet borders. Yes friends, you can use these borders to design a wide variety of large number of fashionable accessories like scarves, strollers, dupattas, saris, shirts, kurtis, sleeves. You can use these very beautiful crochet borders as laces to design your dresses, to design your baby girl frocks, baby girl skirts, and even you can design these very beautifully designed, very beautifully made, simply easy and beautiful looking crochet laces for the designing of your trousers, cigarette pants and capris as well, with a beautiful blend of pleats, pearl decoration. So friends, I hope that my today's video is very beautiful and it gives you a very creative and amazing design ideas that how you can make your own crochet borders with a very easy and simple pattern following technique. And if you really like my video, then don't forget to like and kindly share my video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching my content for the very first time. And if you want to get more stylish, trendy and beautiful design ideas related to crochet, that is different hand knitting patterns for crochet dresses, crochet baby dresses, crochet accessories, then go to my channel's playlist crochet designs and tutorials, and from there you can find a large number of design ideas and variety of beautifully designed and beautifully made stuff with crochet. And not only this, on my channel you can get a wide variety of design ideas related to women fashion, hand art like hand embroidery, fabric painting, dress designing, mehndi designs, jewelry design, and much more related to women fashion. All you have to do is subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So take care of yourselves, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hope to see you soon back on my channel in my new video. Up till then, thank you so much.